The number one way to beat your Walmart competition is to spy on their revenue and then double down on the ones that are doing good. Forget the ones that are doing bad. And if we're selling a product that's similar to Disney, we can go to Walmart, click on Disney, right? Once we type in Disney, then we're going to run a tool. It's called Xray, and it's by somebody called Helium 10. Helium 10 talks to Walmart, gets the API, integrates it into their system, and then it's going to give us a lot of data that we can use as a seller. You can see this. We've got some little suitcase. I'm going to scroll to the right. And what we want to see is how much money are they making per month. Okay. Now, this suitcase right here is making $119,000 a month. So could this be a good item to sell? Possibly, right? And very nice. We've got the woman's Winnie the Pooh Christmas sweater, almost $400,000 a month, right? Tons of potential here just to see what sells. And you don't have to do Disney if it's a name brand. You could do something that's not name brand. The tool has been getting better. It's not perfect, completely honest. But again, what we can do is if we wanted to click this button right here, click Run Cerebro. And then it's going to take us into Helium 10. And it's going to tell us if it's running ads or not and what keywords they're ranking for. Now you can see the sponsored keywords is 0. That means they are not running ads whatsoever. So I give it to this product that's making over $100,000 a year selling a little pink kid's suitcase. Whatever works. Total keywords 107. That means it's showing up 107 times at least on Walmart. So if you type in Disney Princess Suitcase, it should be showing up. If you type in Princess Suitcase Toy, it should be showing up. So these are the keywords where this product is showing up for. And we can see the organic rank, what page they're showing up for, or even the position. Number one, number 3, number 4, number 4, number 4. Pretty good. So these two are the keywords that you're going to want to beat, especially if this product is not running any ads. Then it's kind of free game because there's not many Walmart competitors. If you go to the link in the bio, you can get Helium 10. That's the tool that I showed you multiple times. And they do have an extension that is A1. Now that's it for today's video. If you did need help increasing your sales or finding a product, we are Amazon consultants and experts that are here to help you on Amazon. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of VHP Consulting Group, signing out.